Hello, young doctors. This is the first video of the OSPI for the medical students, and first topic is clubbing. So this is not clubbing. In the medical term, clubbing is of fingers. So this is the picture of the normal finger on the right side, where the angle between skin fold and nail bud is preserved, while on the left side, the angle is obliterated, which is a clubbed finger. Then there is another picture in which there are different grades of clubbing. Lowermost picture is of normal nail. Second angle is a little bit obliterated, and the third it is completely obliterated. So these are the grades. Here you can see the normal picture in of the nail in the uppermost quadrant, and this is the way to check the clubbing. That you ask the patient to combine his or her two nail beds, and there should be a diamond shaped space formed in the case of normal nails, but it will be not present if the fingers they are clubbed. This is a typical picture of the clubbing, where the clubbing is very obvious, and it is called third degree clubbing. Now, how can we remember the causes of clubbing? We have made a mnemonic for that, and however, I think that three or more causes will be sufficient for you if you remember cyanotic heart diseases and malignancy, which can include lung cancer, mesothelioma, or it can be lung abscess and bronchiectasis. But this is the mnemonic in which the C stands for cyanotic heart diseases and cystic fibrosis, L for lung cancer and lung abscess, U for ulcerative colitis, B for bronchiectasis, and another B for benign mesothelioma, I for infective endocarditis and idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, N for neurogenic tumors, and G for different gastrointestinal diseases. So again, I would say to remember only two or three causes. This is another picture just to take a feedback from you people that whether you have understood all the concepts which I have given you about clubbing. This is another hand. Is this clubbing? Please give your answer in the comments, and I think this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.